ulit. Daw tayo transition.
Sige. 1, 2, 3.
Yun na, go. Dali. Wow.
Sino?
Ikaw talaga siya, di ba?
I never made it, but I know what it takes. I'm motivated by a mix of emotion. Got my statement, and I'm reading it slow so I can understand it fully. Appreciate my standing, go out of this world and right on time. Oh, never in my life have I seen the sky light up like this. I'm far away from Earth and I want
Finally here!
Pwede nakatry pa.
Saan ba?
Nagawin ng sili.
Ayun po. Chili and guys. Finally here in SORSOGON. Paras kita nag-ano? 8. It's 12:35. Next up, we're on the way to the lighthouse. Sorry po. Okay, we're done with our pictorial. Going down the lighthouse. Ang kalat po. Sana naman kung bibisita kayo dito, please.
Yes, yung kalat lang ang problema.
Play go.
Mga driver.
calling you. Send me. I know you.
Ay, sorry. Mag-aro kayo. So pretty. Ay, ano kaya yan? OA. Ito na naman si OA. Dito po kami sa Athens. Maingit kayo.
Ano, maingit po.
Time check. It's 2:35. 2:35 at pagod na po kami mag-picture.
Hindi pa kami pagal. Gusto mo mahilig. Ano man? Hindi pa kami pagal mag-picture. Pero sa mga pagal, uni.
Nalayan.
Ay, nabaga. Ako na lang kung pwede lang ayaw.
Love.
Tapos ngunyan, giniba na siyang museum. Our next stop, SORSOGON capital.
Uy, mapiritsyo na rin.
Igwa talaga, promise.
Ano ba yun?
Promise, igwa.
Paglaban mo.
Igwa talaga siya, di ba? We're here. I wanna go back. Municipal Hall po pala
Yes,
kang kasiguran. Okay, puntahan natin yan.
Let's go. Kung ako manggiraray, hayop na yan.
So, we're on the way to the Museo of Sorsogon. Holiday.
Happy na ako, ako na siya. Kasuya ka lang. Disappointed.
The photographer, the unsatisfied client.
Uy!
Hoy!
Uy, kita na niya. Yun na.
Hi guys, we're here in
Hi.
Paguriran. Prieto Diyos na nino. Ha? Prieto Diyos? Joke lang.
Oh, take two.
Take two na yan. Okay, we're gonna play badminton. Kakatapos lang po namin mag-dinner. Kasta ba na?
Down, yeah. I've been feeling so down, yeah. Can you tell me why? Can you tell me why I'm down, yeah. No friends of mine around, yeah. Now I'm thinking why the caught the June blues, yeah. I wanna drown myself inside the juice, yeah. You know I keep on running from the truth. Was that not? I'm just a lonely fucking youth. Now when I drive around, don't feel it up. Why it's getting colder when the sun come out? Might just waste away, don't know what life about. Another day go by, don't know what got me down.
Yun na to ang big ano eh.
Ini yung duwang ano.
Saan mo gano'n sa kuya auto? Laro si lolo mo, Obi.
Ano to ko lang kanon? Sa tuya po ba ba?
Parang bulan yan. Parang bulan yan.
Happy
Bang.
birthday! Happy birthday! Happy birthday! Arag lang kani, arag lang kaya, arag lang kaya.
Bakit?
Arag lang kaya. O, to na kita. Ay, sorry! Nag-i-expect kita. Alam ba? Dali ako.
Iyo.
Or, 100 na ate. Masubli ko.
Ang pagbalik.
100 po, ante!
Yes. My videographer. Yay!
I saw you inside, it was a cold winter night. You show like different intoxicants to make you feel alright. Now I'm sitting here, holding back tears and fears. You're just my type. As the night goes on, I keep biting my tongue, saying I still haven't been to make this moment go wrong. I'll drink another drink, so
Bye-bye! Makarga ka yan! Statue of Liberty.
Ito ganun.